Hi everyone, I'm Karen from Kitchen Studio. We're down here at the Home Expo and I'd like to just show you a little bit about the kitchen that we've got on display. We've got an Ohope profile, which is it's a beautiful profiled kitchen, and you can get lots of different profiles. And this one is actually a lacquered kitchen, so it's got a painted finish. And it's in a satin finish, which is really nice. We've also got on display here an acrylic bench top, and we've had lots of people stop by and ask us about the bench top, because if you feel it, it's quite soft, and it's a lot softer than a traditional stone or granite. And the beauty about an acrylic bench top is it's seamless on the surface, so you do not see the joins like a lot of other products like the stone and the granite. So it's really nice if you've got lots of angles in your kitchen or lots of joins. It's a nice product to use. Comes in many different thicknesses, and another advantage about this product is it's fully repairable. So it can be really, you can be quite robust with your cleaning on it, and you can use Jif on it and harsher products. We also got, we're showing the rubbish bin on display and the hobbers on the island here. We've got a corner solution, which is really good. This solution here, it's really solid, and it takes all those bulky items like your chunky crock pot and your big frying pan with your lid. So over here too, we've got a whole lot of canvases on display which shows examples of kitchens that we've done over the years. And you can see here the handleless look with the recessed handles on it is very popular. We've got the more traditional look here again with the knobs. Look, this one's got colour, and everyone loves this one with the two different levels with the bench top. So and it's a very chunky milled bench top, that one. So come and see us down at the Home Improvement Expo.